It is on top of and the zero hill. It is maybe and the zero most famous tower in Korea. So go through and underline them now, please. Okay, so did you guess correctly? I assume you did, guys, because you're very smart and you worked very hard. So did you guess correctly? This should say, if you did this correctly, and obviously the purple is the correct answer. So Namsan Tower is in Seoul. It is on top of a hill. It is maybe the most famous tower in Korea. Okay? So we're just having a practice here, and something similar like this will appear in your final exam. Okay? So be careful. Namsan Tower is in Seoul. It is on top of a hill. It is maybe the most famous tower in Korea. Maybe Namsan Tower, I don't know, Lotte Tower. What's it called? The tall building. Luxan building, is it? Okay, students, in class, many professors will often ask you about your opinion. And it says, try to guess the following verbs you can use to express an opinion. Okay? And look, guys, I'm going to be quite honest. Look, please write an opinion paragraph in your final exam. Okay? Simple. If you're actually listening to this video, I'm giving you lots of clues as to the final exam, because I wrote the final exam yesterday. I know exactly what it is. So, okay, students in class, many professors will often ask you about your opinion. Try to guess the following verbs you can use to express an opinion. Okay, so what I've done is I've mixed these up, and I want you to put them into their correct order to make a correct sentence. So, Evelyn and Leif and Hickney and Griai and Shriada, don't do them, okay? So put these into their correct order to show verbs that you can use to give your opinions. And do this now, please. Okay, so we've got this one here. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And please put these verbs into your paragraphs. Okay, so, okay, students, did you guess them correctly? Did you? Okay, students, did you guess them correctly? Let's have a look. Okay, so the answers are as follows. Dun, 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 drum roll. Dun, 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 dun. We've got them right here. Okay, and these are the 5 verbs you can use to give your opinions. Okay, so believe, feel, think, agree, and disagree. Okay, so here's your 5 common opinion verbs: believe, feel, think, agree, and disagree. And the examples, I've done an example on smoking. Okay, sorry, but I'll tell you what that says, don't worry. Okay, and believe. I believe smoking should be banned. Okay, this is not my opinion, I'm just giving examples. Okay, feel. I feel that smoking is up to the person. Basically, it's up to the person to choose. I think smoking is dangerous. Too right it is. Agree. I agree people should be aged 19 before being allowed to smoke. And disagree. I disagree that children should be allowed to smoke. Of course, I don't think any of us agree that children should be allowed to smoke. Okay, so here we are. this is how you would use them. Believe, feel, think, agree, disagree. I believe smoking should be banned. I feel that smoking is up to the person. I think smoking is dangerous. I agree people should be aged 19 before being allowed to smoke. And I disagree that children should be allowed to smoke. Okay, there are our common opinion verbs and how we use them. Okay, so let's have a look. Listen, I do this deliberately. Okay, I've told you the 5 opinion verbs that I want you to use in your paragraph. Okay, believe, think, feel, agree, disagree. And I'm now going to show you how to write the perfect paragraph again. Why am I doing it? Because I'm going to ask you to do it 2 times in your final exam. Okay? And I have not made the final exam too difficult. Okay, so North and South Korea should reunify. This I want you to give an opinion on. North and South Korea should reunify. North and South Korea should join as one country and just be called, maybe, I don't know, Korea. I don't know what the name would be. But North and South Korea should reunify. Okay? And I want you to write an opinion paragraph on this. But please remember the rules of a perfect paragraph. Okay? And I'm doing this deliberately right before the exam because it's worth a lot of points in your final exam. And I want to give you full points for the paragraphs. Okay? So here we go. Please remember the rules of a perfect paragraph. So first, let's look at the following and tell me what is wrong with them. Okay, so I've actually changed it from the other one, so I'm not boring you again. So first, let's look at the following and tell me what is wrong with them. Okay, have a look. So here we go. I've given you my title. Okay, so here's the title. And it says, Jamie is going to go to Jeju for his summer holiday because he can't leave Korea, which is actually true, as you know. If I leave Korea and come back, I've got to go into quarantine for 2 weeks. Self-isolation, and I just can't, I'm too busy for that. Okay? So the title I'm giving you is Jamie is going to go to Jeju for his summer holiday because he can't leave Korea. That's my title. 2 things are wrong with that. What is it? Okay, so here we go. So Jamie's going to go to Jeju for his summer holiday because he can't leave Korea. Okay, of course the title is too long. Okay, it's way too long. I mean, it's going to be about that long, isn't it? You know, if you put it on a piece of paper. Jamie is going to go to Jeju for his summer holiday because he can't leave Korea. Title, it's too long, and as you know, guys, no period is allowed. Don't do this. Don't do this with your titles. Okay, but I'm sure you already know that. Yeah? It is quite far away. I'm giving you that as my topic sentence. My topic sentence says, it is quite far away. There's something wrong with that kind of topic sentence. Have a look. What is it? Okay, I'm giving you it. It is quite far away. Okay, the topic sentence, okay, as you know, it should be indented. So it should be starting here. Okay, it should be moved in so that the reader can see that here's the start of the paragraph. It's good format. Okay, the topic sentence should be indented. And this topic sentence is also too general. It is too far away. What's too far away? The mirror over there, the door over there, or Jeju Island? You don't know because that is too general. Okay? It is quite far away. Topic sentence should be indented, starting about here. Just move it in a little bit. Okay? The topic sentence should be indented. This topic sentence is also too general. And here's my supporting sentences. Okay, these are my supporting sentences. And my supporting sentences says, I'm going to have a good time in Jeju. I will hike Hella Mountain. I will also go for a swim. Okay? So there are Jamie's supporting sentences, and I'm going to have a good time in Jeju. I will hike Hella Mountain. I will also go for a swim. That's my supporting sentences. There's something wrong with that. Have a look and tell me why is that wrong. Okay, so I'm going to have a good time in Jeju. I will hike Hella Mountain. I will also go for a swim, and that's my supporting sentences. What's wrong? Okay, supporting sentence should be between 5 to 9 sentences if you don't include the topic sentence. I know I've said a paragraph 6 to 10 sentences. Okay, so the topic sentence is 1 sentence, so therefore you need 5 to 9 supporting sentences. Okay, so supporting sentences should be between 5 to 9 sentences if you don't include the topic sentence. And I'm going to have a good time in Jeju. 1. I will hike Hella Mountain. 2. I will also go for